morning, Quinn. What are you doing?
Hot dog.
Show me.
Big hot dog.
Yeah.
Big
Now eat it.
hot dog.
Tell me when it has to be fixed.
F6. F6.
Okay, fix it.
Is that video taking it?
Yeah.
For me.
Now show me it.
A big hot dog.
Yeah, no, eat it.
No.
Come on, how do you eat it? Tell me when it needs to be fixed, then show me it. Uh-oh, you have to fix it now?
Yeah.
Repeat this process about 200 times and you're done. Thank you. Bye-bye.